When it comes to choosing a TV today, most people want something that looks great for movies, gaming, sports, and everyday streaming without getting overly complicated. And that's exactly what the new Hisense U6SF is trying to deliver. After checking out the features and performance, this TV honestly stands out as a really solid option if you want strong picture quality, immersive visuals, and modern smart features in one package. Right away, the U6SF has a very clean and modern design. The slim bezels help the screen feel larger and more immersive, and it fits naturally into almost any living room setup. Even when the TV is turned off, it still looks sleek and premium. One of the biggest highlights here is the Hi-QLED MiniLED display technology. Instead of lighting the entire screen evenly, Hisense Hi-QLED MiniLED uses precise local dimming zones that dynamically adjust brightness across different areas of the screen in real time. And this makes a huge difference while watching content. Bright highlights look more intense, darker scenes maintain better depth, and contrast feels much more realistic overall. Whether you're watching movies at night, sports during the day, or cinematic HDR content, the picture stays vibrant and detailed. Streetlights, sunsets, explosions, stadium lighting, everything simply looks more impactful and lifelike. Color performance is also impressive on the U6SF. The Hi-QLED technology helps deliver rich and vibrant colors without looking overly artificial. Movies and nature scenes especially look more immersive, with better balance between brightness and realism. Skin tones, shadows, and smaller details appear cleaner and more natural as well. For everyday entertainment, the experience feels very smooth and user-friendly. Streaming apps, movies, sports, and YouTube content all look sharp and easy to enjoy. And because this TV is built for modern home entertainment, it works great whether you're relaxing with Netflix, watching live sports, or connecting a gaming console. Another thing I absolutely love about this TV is how smooth everything feels, thanks to its native 144Hz refresh rate. Whether I'm fast forwarding through a show, scrolling through menus, or watching a high action scene, there's zero lag or blur. Every frame is crisp and fluid, making the whole viewing experience feel so much more responsive and immersive. Overall, the Hisense U6SF feels like a very balanced TV for modern entertainment. You're getting Hi-QLED MiniLED technology, strong contrast and local dimming, vibrant color performance, modern smart features, native 144Hz refresh rate, and a sleek premium design. So if you're looking for a TV that delivers a more immersive viewing experience for movies, streaming, gaming, and everyday content, the U6SF is definitely worth checking out. You can check out more details about the Hisense U6SF using the link in the description below.